Good morning, folks. Got my shadow in the way, but we're at Big Hickory Island Preserve. It's north of Bonita Springs and south of Fort Myers. On the other side of this bridge, that little what looks like an island, it's not, but that's where the dog beach is that I did a few shorts and a couple videos. You can see them over there playing, having a great time. I'm starting to get a few people showing up. But this is across the way from them. Never been here, so we'll figure out together where this goes and what we can see. Something caught my eye down here. So these are mangroves, but this one here looks like he's all full of oysters. And then you can see above the water there's none. But looks like oysters to me. So we'll follow this path. I didn't check it out on Google Earth or anything, so I'm not sure exactly where it goes. Looks like a lot of beachgoers have used this for a bathroom out here. And I just had a huge spider web that was occupied get caught on my face and hat. That's always a joy. Looks like something's been here eating oysters. Those are all oyster shells in a big pile. So I assume that something's coming and plucking them and cracking them open and eating them. Kind of wandering through the woods here. Little more adventure than I expected, but I'm up for it. It's still morning. folks. Well, this is the end of the video, end of the trail. So I just want to mention I have two channels. Ghost Cat on the Go, which is the main channel, this one. And this is where I put my long videos. And then I have Ghost Cat on the Go Shorts, which is where I'll put all my short videos. Kind of keep them a little more organized. Get my channels labeled the right way. But have a beautiful day. Thank you for spending some time with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to be relying on this as an income in the future. Have a beautiful day. Ghost Cat on the Go.